Hi guys, how are you today? This is Joyce from Rimpack. Welcome to our channel. Block button side gusset bag has been a very popular bag style for food packaging, and we also call it flat bottom bag. The block button side gusset bag looks sharp and attractive on the shelf, and it is great for packing a variety of products such as coffee bean, tea, pet food, powder, and so on. This style of bag is formed in a rectangle shape. The bottom of the pouch is gusseted from the sides and sewed. The vertical sides of the bag are creased to allow the pouch to stand up straight on shelf. It is different from the common side gusseted bag. The block bottom side gusset bag can sit up straight on the shelf for excellent display. These block bottom side gusset bags make efficient use of your valuable shelf space. It can not only easily stand and present itself on the shelf, but also show the brand messaging on the front, back, and side panels. In addition, the block bottom side gusset pouch is a stable packaging, and it will take low storage and transport cost compared to glass, cans, or cardboard. If you have any interest, please contact us and visit our page for more information on block bottom side gusset bag. See you next time. Bye.